In today's tutorial, we're going to talk about how to do drop down double crochets. So that's what these stitches are here. It's a very fun way to add a little bit of texture into the row of your color changes. So let's go ahead and begin. Drop double crochets are pretty easy to do. All you really need to do is just pay attention to where you're inserting your hook. So when we're looking at our project here, what we're going to be doing is inserting our hook into the same stitch where our previous double crochet was. So let's show you. We're going to yarn over, and now we're going to insert our hook into that same stitch where we were in the previous row. Kind of bring your hook forward, yarn over, pull through that first loop. At this point, you do kind of want to lift this up a little bit to meet the height, or at least half of the height of your double crochets. Yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, pull through 2 loops again. My next stitch is a regular double crochet. Now we're going to do another drop double crochet where we insert into this area here right below your double crochet from the previous row. So we insert, yarn over, pull through, bring it up a little bit, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, pull through 2 loops again. Let's do that again. So now we're going to find that stitch right here, right below our double crochet. We're going to insert our hook, yarn over, pull through the first loop, bring your yarn up a little bit, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, pull through 2 loops. This is a regular double crochet. And let's do one more drop down double crochet. So we're going to insert our hook right below, yarn over, pull through the first loop, bring the yarn up a little bit, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, pull through 2 loops again. So it's pretty simple to do, but it does kind of just add a cool texture to your project, and it's kind of a fun way to start that color change. I hope that this was helpful for you. Happy crocheting!